Seen a blind man cross the road, trying to make the other side. You ever seen a young girl growing old, trying to make herself a bride? So what becomes of you, my love, when they have finally stripped you off the handbags and the glad rags that your poor old granddad had to sweat to buy you? Once I was a young man, and all I thought I had to do was smile. Still a young girl, and you bought everything in style. Yes, you did. And once you think you're in your house, 'cause you don't mean a single thing without the handbags and the glad rags that your poor old granddad had to sweat to buy you. Sing a song of sixpence for your sake, and drink a bottle full of rye. 4 and 20 blackbirds in a cake, and bake them all in a pie. You told me you missed school today, what I suggest you just throw them all away, the handbags and the glad rags that your poor old granddad had to sweat to buy.